Hey, Commander Morning. Yazi sometimes comrade angazi ukuthi some of us masilalela President Zuma simuzwa wami kahle. Kune audio recording ephumile kaJacob Zuma esemithingini ethi ANC approached them yathi ifuna ukubanikeza isihlalo kwi-GNU. uZuma akazesho ukuthi i-ANC approached me, akaze kusho lokho. Uthe i-ANC ihambile yayokhuluma nama-comrade ase-provincial legislature, afike awatshena ukuthi inhlangano akuyona phela yomuntu oyedwa. So hambani niyokhuluma noZuma so that will include you ku-governance. And then uZuma was reminding ama-comrade ukuthi remember igoli lethu ukuthi yiphi. Ngeke sisebenze nabantu esingenayo i-objective A1. Kube njalo uZuma yabona nje abombalula sebethi we never approached Jacob Zuma or MK in. So i-MK inabantu abaningi. So ama-comrades were approached ukuthi awahambe yokhuluma nobaba. And then ubaba Gorit, and then ubaba uya-reminder ukuthi remember our objective ukuthi iyiphi. Awukwazi ukurula i-country ne-enemy. I-GNU ine-enemy. I-ANC is in the hands of the enemy. You cannot work with the ANC in this current form because it is in the hands of the enemy. Yazi ngize ngiyayibuza ngithi hawu ombalula mabebhala i-statement ukuthi audio recording of what bamzwile uJacob Zuma ukuthi ubethini. Yabona it will take some people years ukuthi ba understand uJacob Zuma. Cabanga into simple. Never said ukuthi uJacob Zuma i-ANC approached him. Upresident uthe ANC ihambe yakhuluma nabantu ukuthi abazokhuluma nami. Kuze kufonywe ugovernment. Ube reminder those people who were in the meeting who akade bekhuluma ne-ANC ukuthi remember our objective. Now at some point I'm one of them who felt like ukuthi I know we need the governance. But uJacob Zuma keep on reminding us ukuthi no comrade, remember our objective. We cannot work with a person esingenama objective afanayo naye. Simple as that. So angazi mina ukuthi ubaba abantu abaningi bayom-understanda kanjani ngoba ke lapha ke ubekhuluma isingisi ubengakhuluma isiZulu, but i-ANC ayikwazanga ukugrabha into ebeyisho. Angazi. Ama-comrades are always approaching each other. Siyahlala nama-comrade ANC, siyahlala nama-comrade OEFF kuma-sub-regions, kuma-region, nakuma-province kuyahlala. Yabona? Siyakhuluma each and every time. And there's nothing wrong about it. We persuade each other, yabona. If we feel like thina uthi baba, we can persuade here, we can persuade wena here and then. There's nothing wrong about it. But uJZ was reminding ama-comrade ukuthi ithi ukuthi ama-comrade lawa ANC no longer comrade. Ama-comrade impela kodwa kusewona ama-comrade. Asivumelani. Asivumelani. We want a total takeover of state power. You cannot govern with an enemy. Simple as that. Ne. uNxamalala ukhulumile yabona. You can go and listen leya audio again. Uzoyizwa. Yabona. Ama comrade who were approached by ANC ukuthi hayi comrade akanihambe nokhuluma nobaba sibheke lento ye governance. Ne. Usethi-ke ubaba through i-intelligent yakhe uthi ubaba i-enemy want to crash an economy. Do you think wena if the enemy can crash i-economy right now ne kuthiwa nje hayi nathi MK EFF ANC siphethe and then enemy crash i-economy? Do you think people of South Africa will be in support of the government of the day? The answer is simple as no. When you govern, you must govern with your people. Your people must know, must expect ukuthi the worst might happen. But here is our plan. You cannot just go to government excited ukuthi hayi sino premier, sino president, sino deputy president. The enemy is planning as much as nathi we are planning. So they are doing everything. All they want to see DA at least go 35, 36. So that DA will be able to governance and DA will crash bonke labo DJ ANC, will change everything lapha ku state. Uyabona? So we must be careful. We want to take power, but not at all cost. Not at all cost. So power sizoyithatha. But we must be strategic in our approach. You can go and listen leya audio ka President Zuma. Uzozwa ukuthi uPresident Zuma uthini. Ngicabanga ukuthi khona all over, but you can ungene yini ungangena nje kodwa uzoyizwa le audio ka Jacob Zuma is all over social media. Umlalele kahle uzomthola ubaba uthi bethini.